today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful overflowing blueberry lemon smoothie. It's really easy to put together and it's so flavorful and just so fresh and beautiful for when blueberries are in season. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this smoothie a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. For my blender, you just pop everything straight in the cup and then blend it there. So I'm going to pop about a cup of milk into there. You can use any milk you like. And we'll add into that blueberries, about a cup of blueberries. And then add your chia seeds. I've gone for 1/4 of a cup. And now it's really up to you. With the lemon, go for as much of the zest and juice as you would like. I've kind of done a good portion of the lemon zest, and I'm going to add a bit of juice too. It's up to you how much juice. I've just kind of cut a small wedge off the end and just adding that in. Now, to balance the sourness of the lemon, you can add in some sweetness. You can add a little bit now, or you can blend it, have a little taste and see if it's sweet enough to your liking, and then just add it in there to taste, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get it on to blend now. So I'm just going to pop the lid on. Perfect, and now we'll blend it. And here we go. And there you go. I just love the purple color of this. It's just beautiful. And now we'll just pour it out. And here you go. You just pour it out. How beautiful is that color? Oh, perfect. It kind of looks beautiful with a couple of blueberries on top. And there you go. That is the video for today for how to make this easy blueberry lemon smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this smoothie a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.